I do like how Ford redesigned the new Mustang, and some of you might be surprised. But that's not the main launch of this year. Within a year, Ford sells 6 times more F-150s than Mustangs. So let me introduce you the all-new 2015 Ford F-150, the best-selling truck in America for almost 40 years. And now, this is the time to tell you why we love this truck.
First of all, you see the new aluminum body, and it is actually the first truck which is built from aluminum. Overall, the new F-150 has lost more than 700 pounds, which seriously helped to improve its towing and load capacity. Let's start with the basics. Buying the new F-150, you will have 3 body styles to choose from: regular cab, super cab, and super crew cab. They all have different towing capacities and pickup loads. Also, all of the super cabs can fit up to 6 passengers and feature plenty of space inside and out. The new generation also features 4 different engine types, and buying this truck, you will have an option to go with either the rear-wheel drive or the all-wheel drive option. The model we're reviewing today is a 2015 F-150 Super Cab XLT with a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. The price starts at $37,000. For this truck, there are almost no limits. It can tow up to 9,000 pounds and carry up to 1,700 pounds of cargo. At the same time, it'll bring you lots of fun, and 0 to 60 here is faster than an average sedan can do. You're going to get a pretty cool miles per gallon for a truck. 18 miles per gallon city, 23 miles per gallon highway. It's a smooth, very quiet ride. For some of you, the steering wheel might seem a bit soft, but that's just a matter of preference. There are a few things that are essential to highlight. Start-stop engine function is shutting down the engine when you're waiting for a red light. Partly because of this, you're getting such great miles per gallon for a truck. Another very practical thing is auto-dimming mirrors. Spray in bed is the option to go with. It'll help to avoid scratches and scuffs. We've tested this car on city and country roads, as well as the Badlands, an off-road track nearby in Attica, Indiana, and it handled each and every task to perfection. If you're currently looking for a new truck, take a look at the new 2015 Ford F-150. It can suit all your needs, starting from carrying heavy materials from point A to point B, or just for fun family getaways.